Hello and welcome everyone to my channel IT Simplified, and this video is in continuation to the part 1 video that we made for protecting your virtual machine running on Hyper-V using Azure Site Recovery. So in the last video we specified the source and the target, so that was the preparing infrastructure part that we did. In today's class I will show you how you will perform the replicate application part. So I am on the same subscription that I used last time. From the settings you'll go under getting started and then site recovery, and then you select step 1 replicate application, and in the first part you will select source configuration, and our source is on-prem, so this is the hypervisor which we are running on-prem, and the source location is demo HV, which was the site that we created last time. Click on the OK button. And in the target is Azure, because we want to fail over our virtual machine running in our data center to the Azure region. Subscription gonna be pay as you go. Then post failover resource group we have already specified, it's going to be FS101, and then deployment model is resource manager. Then we also created the storage account, which is TD resource group, and then the Azure network is ASR VNet with a subnet as you can see on the screen. So click on the OK button. And now we'll select which virtual machine we want to fail over to Azure. We have 3 virtual machines running on our hypervisor, but for this demonstration I will select my file server and click on the OK button. And in configure properties we have to specify what operating system we are running. So the file server is running Windows Server 2012, so I'll select Windows in this case, and need to select per VM. So the good thing about the Azure is that you can specify the disk which you want to replicate. In my case I only have one disk in my environment which is running on the file server, which is the operating system disk, which is close to 35 gigs. So there is no option, you have to select the operating system. But if you have any other disk available like D drive, E drive or F drive for saving your data, and you want to only specify the one that you want to replicate to the Azure, you can do that too. Now because in my case I only have one disk which is the operating system, I don't have the option, but I just want to point it over here that if you have multiple drives, you can select which one you want to replicate, and you'll click on the OK button. And this is the policy 1 that we selected, like how often we want to replicate. Do we want to replicate immediately? You want to replicate at any specific time? So this was a policy that we created in the last video, so that is selected by default. And you'll click on the OK button, and you'll click on enable replication. So if I expand the notification, you will see that the operation is in progress, so it means that the replication process has been initiated. With this it completes the part 2 of protecting Hyper-V virtual machine by using Azure Site Recovery. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.